Hi guys, welcome back to KAPtion. Today I'll be showing you how I achieve a high puff on an old twist out. Start by spraying my hair with water and I apply the Xtreme Hold Gel around the perimeter of my hair. I'm using a shoelace to put my hair into a puff. You can use a hair lace if you have one. I start by tying a knot at the back of my head. I tie it tightly until I'm comfortable with the shape of my hair, and then I tie another knot in the front to secure it. I then wrap the ends of the lace around the puff and secure them with 2 to 3 bobby pins. Once you're done, you can shape your puff to your liking. I'm using the Morris Edgewax again to lay it, slay it. I also use the edge control to lay the edges in the back of my head and use the brush for any finishing touches. As I said before, this is the most important step. You want to tie it very tight and then leave it on for about 5 minutes. Thank you for coming to KAPtion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here's how I styled my hair the following day with a different twist.